Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about tangent. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this equation in here. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 4, we have 4s to the power of 3. First derivative of this one, we have 3y squared, and first derivative of y. This one, we have number 0. Next, we need to find first derivative of y in here. So we put this one, go to the right, and we divide both sides by 3y squared. So we will have about first derivative of y equals to negative 4s to the power of 3 divided by 3y squared. Next, we have the formula of the tangent. That's about first derivative of y, s minus s0 plus y0 next about this one, that's about this one, but we put the value negative number 2 and number 2 go in here. This one is about negative number 2. This is about number 2. So this one we calculate. So we have 8 over 3. This one we have positive number 2. 8 over 3 multiplied by s and number 2. So we sum two numbers together, and we have 22 over 3. Next, we multiply both sides by number 3. So we put everything go to the left. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.